Hello, I'm VisualizeMeCuellar. This is my video for the Visualize Me assignment. I'm your instructor of the Liberal Arts, Math and Science first year seminar. As you know, I'm a professor in the math department. This is my email there. You need to send me an email. So I'm going to talk about me, but I'm going to talk about me related to technology because I love technology. I like to use technology in my classroom. I like to use technology in my everyday life. So for me, technology, when you think about it, you sometimes only think about objects, but actually technology is the application of scientific knowledge for practical purposes, especially in industry. So I'm from Colombia, which is in South America, and usually when I'm in US and I ask, where are you from? And I say from Colombia, and I mean, like, I'm a professor and all that, people say, oh, I'm from Columbia University. It's like, no, I'm from the country Colombia. So I'm from that country in South America. And since I was very young, I was exposed to technology and coding, programming. So in 1997, I started programming in my school when I was 11 years old, and I would programming with Apple IIc computers to do little pictures, and I really enjoyed discovered the fascination I had with talking to computers through code. Then in 1993, I finished my high school and I started studying physics at Universidad de Los Andes in Bogota, Colombia. And we were a very small group of people. We were 10 guys and me. So this picture represents me as I was feeling at that time. It was very strange to be in a group of only men. And this picture actually is from like a set of gangsters that were together with a woman who is a gangster, part of the gangster group. So I felt like that a little bit. So from 1993 to 1997, I did my studies, which was a lot of like calculations, math, applications, visualizations of equations, visualizations of data, etc. We did some holograms too. In 1994 to 1995, I got to do a lot of programming to simulate physical processes, and I got to do a lot of playing with my classmates in a place called Compufisica, which was the place where we had our computer labs. In 1996, I started doing my studies in chaos theory that is actually needs a lot of coding to represent things. And chaos theory is used to actually improve images from computers. In 1997, I started working as a professor in a university in Bogota until I got a scholarship to do my PhD in the UK here. So when I went to UK, I started doing uh, stats, doctoral studies at London School of Economics, which with industrial applications of theory and technology. I did again a lot of coding, and I did climate prediction, and I did also, after I finished my PhD, a postdoc in Oxford. When I was there, my husband was in a different city um, from me. Like we were like in different places for 5 years until he got an offer at Bronx Community College. So we moved to US, and at the same time, I didn't know if I wanted to move. So I moved because I got pregnant. So we didn't want to stay alone in the UK. So we all moved to New York. And then I started to like recreating myself. I dedicated myself to my family, and I started to teach more. Um, and since I always loved technology and computers, then I started to use a lot of technology in the classroom. So I work at Branch Community College. I've been working with the Carnegie Foundation for the Advancement of Teaching. I'm with the Math 119 course, if you heard about that course. I also worked in Cooper Union, a university in the East Village. And I always try to do a lot of social reflections and relations to technology in the classroom. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy it. Bye.